Hey guys, so this one is called water bottle trap. Now things you need for this is a laundry basket, a water bottle to prop the laundry basket up, and a ball or a sock ball. Now how you score points is you are trying to trap the ball, the water bottle, or both under the basket. Now you get 1 point if you trap the ball under the basket. You get 2 points if you trap the bottle under the basket but no ball, and you get 3 points if you trap both the ball and the bottle under the basket. Now you've got 1 minute to do this. If you miss or you score points, reset quickly and get back to it before the timer runs out. So I'll set the bottle, get back behind my 10-foot mark. Oh, missed. Now you have to hit the bottle first to score points, and as you see, it trapped just the bottle but the ball didn't make any contact, so no points. Guys, have fun playing this game, and if you have a video to post and would like other people to see what you're up to, post it on our social media accounts and tag St. Anne's.